Stories of personal sacrifice, of real-life changing moments. Stories of admirable dedication and unshakable faith, and heroic deeds that shaped the destiny of many. The Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2025 is back once again with some riveting stories of how some everyday Indians are selflessly and tirelessly serving humanity and the voiceless. The platform showcases amazing individuals who may be common by appearance but are uncommon by deeds. In this episode, Times Now Amazing Indians Awards celebrate the winner in the healthcare category, and then the distinguished achiever in the water and sanitation category. First, we have Kanchan Gupta, who rose from a personal tragedy to bring health and happiness to a much neglected section of society. Kanchan's stellar work gave her the winning nod from the jury at the Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2025. Kanchan Gupta's journey began with heartbreak. Losing her mother in deeply tragic circumstances shattered her world. But it also opened her heart to a painful truth: the silent suffering and loneliness so many elderly people endure. In her grief, Kanchan found purpose. She chose not to be consumed by sorrow, but to transform it into compassion.
इसकी शुरुआत मैंने अपने पर्सनल रीज़न से की थी, बिकॉज़ मेरी मदर के जाने के बाद मुझे लगता था मैं किसी से बात करूं अपने बारे में, उनके बारे में। मैं थोड़ा सा डिप्रेशन में भी थी, लेकिन जब मैंने बात करना शुरू किया सीनियर सिटीजन्स के साथ, अपने पड़ोस में, अपनी सोसाइटी में, और तो मुझे पता लगा कि जैसे मैं अकेला फ़ील कर रही थी उस टाइम पे, हमारे ज़्यादातर सीनियर सिटीज़न अकेला फ़ील करते हैं। और वहीं से एक छोटा सा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना जिसमें लोग जुड़ते चले गए। फिर हमने एक सोशल मीडिया पे पेज बनाया जहां 100 से 500, 500 से 1000, आज हमारे साथ 41,000 सीनियर सिटीजन जुड़े हुए हैं।
Kanchan believes the crisis of loneliness among seniors cuts across all social and economic boundaries. Whether living below the poverty line or in affluent neighborhoods, countless elders face the same silent struggles.
सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या है कि हम लोग निष्पक्ष काम कर रहे हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग बहुत ही बिलो द पॉवर्टी लाइन या बहुत ही अबव द या फिर बहुत रिच क्लास को कैटर कर रहे हैं। बिकॉज हमने क्या देखा कि ऐसा नहीं है कि जो बहुत अल्ट्रा रिच सीनियर सिटीज़न है उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, या जो बहुत पुअर है उसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। प्रॉब्लम सबके साथ है। ये ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम है। जो एक अकेलेपन वाली प्रॉब्लम है वो उसमें तो कोई बेटर ही नहीं आ रहा कि आप कौन सी क्लास से बिलोंग करते हो।
Her compassion and innovation even extend into a deeply personal space: clothing. During her mother's battle with cancer, Kanchan witnessed firsthand how regular clothing can become a daily struggle for patients. This experience sparked a powerful idea, one that combines dignity, comfort and care in even the smallest details of life.
सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही थी, क्योंकि उनके ट्रीटमेंट चल रहे थे, कीमो चलता था, तो वो कपड़े चेंज करने से मना कर देती थी। हाथ उठाती थी तो उनको बहुत पेन होता था, तो वो कहती है मुझे नहीं करना। और इस इंडस्ट्री में मैं काफ़ी सालों से थी, फैशन इंडस्ट्री में, और मतलब लाखों कपड़ों के बीच में होने के बावजूद मुझे एक कपड़ा ऐसा नहीं दिखा जो मैं अपनी मदर को बोल पाऊँ कि आप ये पहन लो, इससे आपका पेन कम होगा या आपको इसमें पेन नहीं होगा। तो फिर मैंने कुछ ऐसे ऑनलाइन सर्च किया कि इस तरह की कोई क्लोथिंग होती है क्या जो मतलब पेशेंट को ट्रीटमेंट के दौरान पहना सकें। तो मुझे ऐसी कोई क्लोथिंग इंडिया में नहीं मिली। यूएस से आने में काफ़ी टाइम लग रहा था, तो फिर मैंने खुद से कुछ डिज़ाइन किया, लोकल टेलर से बनवाया, बट बाय द टाइम वो जब रेडी हुआ, माई मदर वॉज नो मोर विद मी।
Even in the face of immense personal tragedy, Kanchan found the strength to finish what she started. On January 26, 2025, she launched Hagzor, a groundbreaking initiative dedicated to creating easy-to-wear apparel for specially abled individuals and senior citizens. With thoughtfully crafted designs that addressed 12 different medical conditions, Hagzor restores something many take for granted: the simple, powerful dignity of dressing with ease and confidence.
कपड़े जो हम व्हील चेयर पे बैठ के भी पहन सकते हैं, जो कि हम पहन नहीं पाते हैं नॉर्मली, तो हमारे लिए बहुत ही यूज़फुल है। हम कहीं भी वियर कर सकते हैं।
जिसको उठने बैठने में तकलीफ़ है वो सो करके ही कपड़ा चेंज कर सकते हैं, बैठ के कपड़ा चेंज कर सकते हैं। उन लोग का कपड़ा बहुत अच्छा है।
The Foundation's commitment to senior health is unwavering. In collaboration with leading hospitals and partners like Centre for Sight, Kanchan has organized numerous free health checkup camps, bringing essential care directly to those who need it most. Her efforts have also enabled 2,500 seniors to receive health cards under the Ayushman Bharat scheme, giving them access to critical healthcare services. These interventions have had a profound and measurable impact, with over 32,000 elders directly benefiting from the Foundation's health and well-being programs, a testament to care rooted in action.
हम उनकी हेल्थ के ऊपर भी काम कर रहे हैं। हम हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप्स लगाते हैं, अलग अलग हॉस्पिटल के साथ टाई अप करते हैं। जितने भी बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं आसपास, जैसे हमारे पास में स्पाइनल इंजरी हॉस्पिटल है, दे हैव सपोर्टेड अस। उसमें उनका सबसे ज़्यादा जो प्रॉब्लम होती है वो ऑर्थो की या फिर जॉइंट पेन्स की रहती है सीनियर सिटीज़न को, या आइज़ की रहती है। तो हम ज़्यादातर हेल्थ कैंप इन्हीं के ऊपर लगाते हैं। फिर हम फ्री आपके हार्ट टेस्ट कराते हैं। अगर किसी को कार्डियक रिलेटेड इशू है, हम फ्री हार्ट के कैंप लगाते हैं, क्योंकि कुछ लोग सिर्फ इसीलिए नहीं चाहते हैं कि चेकअप कराएंगे तो पैसा खर्च होगा और वो डिले हो जाता है और फिर वो बाद में बीमारी बन जाता है। तो हम ये सारी चीज़ें उनको फ्री में मुहैया कराते हैं। फिजियोथेरेपी कैंप लगाते हैं।
नांगल देवत बसंत कुंज गाँव में महिलाएँ कम निकलती हैं और अपनी सेहत का भी इतना ध्यान नहीं रखती वो, तो इस बहाने वो कम से कम बाहर निकलती हैं, अपना हेल्थ चेकअप करवाती हैं। तो अगर बीमारी फर्स्ट स्टेज में हो तो वो क्योर हो जाती है और उसको उसका बेनिफिट भी मिल जाता है। अगर किसी के पास फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन वीक है तो उसमें ये है कि उसकी हेल्प हो जाती है, वो लोग फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट भी कर देते हैं।
हमारे साथ बहुत सारे लोग जो है जुड़े हुए हैं, जैसे हेल्थ एडवाइज़र हैं, डॉक्टर्स हैं, एंड वो अगर सीनियर सिटीजन्स को कॉस्टली जो ट्रीटमेंट्स हैं, इक्विपमेंट्स हैं, अगर उसमें हेल्प कर पाते हैं तो ये एज फ्रेंडली भारत के लिए एंड सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा कदम जो है हो सकता है।
Despite these hurdles, Kanchan and her dedicated team, whom she calls the backbone of the foundation, persevere, driven by an unwavering commitment to change lives. The impact of age-friendly Bharat is clear in the numbers. Beneficiaries report a 40% improvement in self-reported well-being and a 60% increase in participation in community activities. Kanchan's work has not only improved lives but strengthened intergenerational bonds, reviving respect for elders' wisdom.
हम इसको चाहते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन बनाना। हम एक ऐसा ऐप बनाएं जो सीनियर सिटीज़न फ्रेंडली हो, जहाँ पर वो गवर्नमेंट के साथ हम उस ऐप को इनेबल कराएं, ताकि वो अपनी जो उनके साथ स्कीम्स हैं गवर्नमेंट की, वो उस ऐप के थ्रू वो अवेल कर पाएँ। तो हम इसको AI ड्रिवन, टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन और साथ के साथ ग्रास रूट लेवल पे काम करने वाली संस्था बनाना चाहते हैं, विच विल इफेक्ट पैन इंडिया लेवल, जहाँ पर Tier 2, Tier 3 नहीं, और भी इंटीरियर में अगर किसी के पास भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है एंड दे आर सीनियर सिटीजन, सो वी आर एबल टू सॉर्ट दैट। तो हम उसको इस लेवल पे करने के लिए हमें गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट के लिए लेवल पे हम जाना चाहते हैं, नेशनल लेवल पे जाना चाहते हैं।
Kanchan Gupta has shown us that empathy, innovation and unwavering spirit can transform lives. She believes passionately that elders are not a burden but our greatest strength. And through Age-Friendly Bharat, she is ensuring that every elder, everywhere, has a chance to truly shine.
I'm still learning every day. बट अगर किसी एक इंसान को और मैं इंस्पायर कर पाऊँ अबाउट एज फ्रेंडली भारत, हेल्दी एजिंग, तो मुझे लगता है वही मेरे लिए भी बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड होगा कि या रिवॉर्ड होगा कि आई एम एबल टू मेक पीपल अवेयर अबाउट दिस मिशन। जैसे कि SCFI फोरम मैंने शुरुआत दिल्ली से करी है, लेकिन हम NCR और दिल्ली के और भी एरियाज़ में या इंडिया के और भी काफ़ी एरियाज़ में हम लोग कर रहे हैं। सोशली तो सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू तो हम पैन इंडिया कर पा रहे हैं, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि इसको ग्रास रूट लेवल पे किया जाए इन ऑल द इंटीरियर ऑफ द, एंड ये एक मतलब नेशनल मिशन बन जाए टू मेक इंडिया एज फ्रेंडली।
Since my childhood, I have faced a lot of challenges for water. I traveled for nearly 1 kilometer for water every day for my cattle, my domestic purpose. So then I have taken challenge after my degree. I have to do something for service and do more work on water.
Born in the humble rural town of Darsi, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasekhara Raju Podili's journey into social work was not merely a career choice, but a profound calling. Coming from a family reliant on paddy cultivation, he witnessed firsthand the harsh realities of water scarcity, limited education and grinding poverty that gripped farming communities. It was this deep personal experience from a young age that forged his determination to make a difference.
Since my childhood, I have faced a lot of challenges for water. I traveled for nearly 1 kilometer for water every day for my cattle, my domestic purpose. So then I have taken challenge after my degree. I have to do something for service and do more work on water. Then I went for MSW and I have studied in NGO management in Ahmedabad. Then I came back for doing service and I started my journey doing a watershed development program, which is now about WDF funding. I was the team leader for 3 districts, Prakasham and Nellore and Guntur districts. There we have started 105 watershed programs.
This strong sense of responsibility was further intensified by a pivotal moment in his youth, witnessing his own father's struggle when an entire crop dried up due to lack of rain. This ignited an unshakable resolve within him.
Every day I work for my cattle and I work for farming, and then I will go for my education. Then 1 year it was happened. My father has started sowing, and after sowing, there is no rain, there is no water source for my crop. The entire crop was dried. In my home also, my village also, there is no regular water supply. Then I have to travel a long way for taking water for drinking and for my milk animals. Then I struggled a lot there, and I have decided to go for doing a lot work. So many farmers, so many villages they are working, they are struggling for water. Then that day I decided to work for water.
Rajasekhara understood that bringing change required knowledge. From his bachelor's degree to his PhD, his academic pursuits were singularly focused on equipping him to address social challenges effectively. After completing his PG/DMN and studying NGO management in Ahmedabad, he returned to work in the Prakasam district, spearheading watershed development programs.
For construction of farm ponds, there is a space. If we go farm pond farmer is not ready to spend 3 to 5 cents for construction of the farm pond. But even though he is struggling because of lack of knowledge of a farmer, then I have decided to motivate and to give awareness more on rainwater. Then I started village to village for giving awareness. I stayed till 11 o'clock in the villages, and we have formed groups, water user committees and watershed development committees and farmer committees and village development committees. All type of committees we formed, and we have mass community meetings and trying to give how the importance of rainwater harvesting and how the importance of farm pond. There I have taken a step to mobilize the farmers. One water pond we have constructed. There we have seen a lot of impact. After construction of this farm pond, one rain came, the entire rain water go down. And the second rain came, that water also recharged in the bed. Then my borewell has started water. Then I have seen the good impact. Then I thought that this farm pond concept should increase awareness to the surrounding villages and districts and states. That is the big impact we have seen, and I started that one. Then we have to give more awareness about the water storage and the impact. Then how we are constructing the technical design also we have to explain to the farmers. Once they understand the thing, everybody and surrounding everybody, they welcome such a way. And nearly 150 check dams we have constructed in the 3 districts. We have seen a lot of impact and a lot of smiles in the farmer faces.
From 2005 to 2025, Rajasekhara Raju Podili has dedicated his life to confronting the most critical challenges facing rural India: water scarcity, poverty, low agricultural productivity, the absence of livelihood opportunities for women, and inadequate basic infrastructure. His initiatives have brought transformation across 11 districts in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka.
Climate change, rains not coming on time. Farmers are saying now this time also there is no sufficient rainfall. I have constructed nearly more than 150 to 200 check dams. Even few check dams having water because of there is no sufficient rainfall. After sowing farmer, there is no rainfall, the crop will get dry. Then if I construct check dam, if I construct farm pond, in between rains he can utilize that check dam water and farm pond water. He can sustain the crop for his benefit. Since I am coming from a humble background and I have seen the struggle, I have seen the challenge, so I decided to go and continue my work for harvesting of rainwater, construction of harvesting structures with the collaboration of corporates and other NGOs and other stakeholders. That is a turning point for my life.
Rajasekhara has worked towards empowering the most marginalized communities: small and marginal farmers, tribal families, landless laborers, and rural women. Under his visionary leadership, 91 watershed projects have been meticulously implemented, supported by NABARD, creating a creditable 5 million cubic meters of water storage capacity across 110,000 acres. But it all starts with a thorough assessment of the issue and needs.
Places means we will go one village and we will do need assessment. In that need assessment, what are the resources are there? What are the requirements are there? Always there is two demands will be there from the villages. One is needs and the second one is wants. We will not go for wants. Want means they can ask for construction of IMAX also. But what is exactly needs? Through our need assessment, we will identify what are the exact need, what are the water bodies are there, what are the crops they are doing, what is exact required. Then we will see what are the possibilities to construct, what are the areas possibilities are there. We will do feasibility study. Based on the feasibility study, we will assess and we will plan whether we will go for construction of check dam, whether we will go for farm pond. Based on that, we will plan, and the entire plan will sit with the villagers, including Panchayat people also we will include, and we will discuss with them, and all together will come out and we will go for construction. For each and every activity, farmer contribution is compulsory.
At the very heart of Rajasekhara Raju Podili's philosophy lies an unshakable truth to work for the people without expecting monetary returns. His ultimate goal is not commercial gain, but self-reliance, ensuring that the rural poor can lead dignified, empowered, and resilient lives. This deep-seated altruism is something his family knows intimately.
My family always with me. Whenever I say my achievements, I have done this much work, they are very happy. They are always supporting me. My father and my mother, they know since they are in agriculture farm, and my brother, my sister, and my family entire they are with me. My daughters also giving such a support. Daddy, you go and you do good work. You are doing always with you like that. So such a great achievement I am getting from my family. But wherever my focus is to serve to the farmers and working with different corporate companies and getting sufficient support from them also. Now I could able to do some such a quantity of work to the farmers. Nearly 2 lakh farmers I am able to serve to them. And I'm very happy to see their smile faces getting their farmers' income.
We supported my brother for the past 20 years. We also encouraging through my family because of my family also agriculture, farmer family. That's why he give the society, he give the service to society for the water sustainability. Here there is a lot of problems in the society water regarding water problems. That's why we are also encouraging. We will with you. You go to service to the society from the past 20 years also.
For 2 decades, Rajasekhara Raju Podili has walked amongst the people, shared their struggles and transformed their lives. He is not just a leader, he is a beacon of hope, proving that true success is measured by the happiness and prosperity of the communities one serves, and expects the youth to work for the environment's sustainability.
My suggestion to youth and entire the nation to work for the water and environment. There is a lot of demand and a lot of requirement is there, and they have to go understand the field and villages and challenges faced by the farmers and nation for the water. If we see once water comes, there is a lot of flood is coming. If rain not come, there is a lot of drought come. But we have to make balance. We have to work with environment for water. I will suggest always to youth to come and understand the field and do support farmer and do work for the water. There is a lot of scope is there.
Truly an amazing achievement by yet another amazing Indian. These Times Now Amazing Indians winners have transformed the lives of thousands, and Times Network will continue to value them and treasure their achievements.